Huh?
You have the S3? How much are you pushing? I should be around 500.
By the time you are watching this video, this car will already be on 85. Yo, what's up guys? So we're headed to this meetup. We got homeboy in the GTI behind us, and it's supposed to be a pretty big turnout. There's a couple different hosts collabing tonight, so this will be pretty interesting to see. I'm pretty excited. I'm stoked about this, and you know, we got the Vortex turbo in. We're still on pump gas 91, but that's okay. We're gonna get it dialed in, don't worry. We're just gonna head out there and you know, check out some nice cars, guys. See you when we get there. Damn, bro. Hey, how you make it look so clean, dude? Nah.
You're going like that.
Maybe I should go back to black wheels, dude. They look nice. They look nice.
These ones is easy to clean too.
Yo, wait, you said you're where? 2 minutes away? Yeah. All right, cool. I'll see you over here. We're just waiting for you. We're right here.
A few moments later.
That's who we're waiting for. There you go, our PF boys, GTI boys. So clean, bro. See you guys out there. WRX, the anime stickers on the side. We're almost close to the meet, guys. We're almost there. Got the Z06 in front of us. Just look at it, dude. Just look at it. Damn it.
I mean, you can walk around amongst the pandemonium.
Fucking Dylan used to have those wheels. He's always. That's only Chris.
Crazy. There's so many cars out here. But they already announced we're gonna get shut down in a few minutes. So it is what it is, guys. Damn it.
Remind me of like Rolls Royces and
Get a 15 roll with them.
bro.
Yeah. It's like a shirt. Don't buy the most baller shit.
Damn it. This shit is so clean, bro. How'd he do it like that?
I could get it so much. Like she knows. It took me like I would work on it.
Just a heads up, the cops gave us like 10 minutes to like get out.
Oh yeah.
So like just so you know.
Cops are just here with tow trucks, bro. I don't know what happened. Tow trucks just dipped out, but they were just here with them. Now they're just over there. Hopefully we can get some better footage out there and that one doesn't get shut down right away. Got a lot of red cars on the side though.
Oh, bro, look, I like how that's
Great.
from lower to fucking high, bro.
And behind this, check out this sick ass Audi though. And we meet again. Huh? Nah, bro. I'm gonna get smoked. Shit. Oh, he's gone. So loud, but it sounds good. I dig it. It kind of makes me wish I had all-wheel drive. Hey, bro, I love it. I love it. You make me want one now. Oh, I think we lost them. Hang on. Stop behind the AMG right here. Check them out. So clean. And there they are. There you go. Leave no man behind. There's the E18 right there. I can smell the E85 from them in front of us. Yo, check it out though. I mean, I'm not gonna run it, but there they go. And the Audi takes the dummy. God damn, let's get a video of it. Check it out, bro. Let's get him in the video. Callouts? Damn. Right next to the BMW, huh?
Oh, this is Taylor. Is this the guy?
Yeah, I know. I figured. Yeah, little Turkski.
You never really see anything good over here.
I actually like these. These look really nice. Compare the two generations, right? Like, look at this. These aren't that bad.
I bought it and I wanted to resell it later on. Like, I'll never get my money back on that shit.
I still can't get over this body style. Look at the back. The new G80s, guys, is so nice. The front is a little bit different, but you know, the back looks so good. Just check out the front.
It looked like I was about to leak.
Damn.
I popped it at
That's my bad wheel.
Huh? Oh.
I'm just kidding.
Big turbo.
That's the big turbo right there, or what?
MPI kit.
That's the MPI?
Blinker fluid.
Super sleeper, huh? Crazy.
No, it's stock. No, this is stock, bro. Oh, what I've done to it, MagnaFlow exhaust, K&N intake, because it's way fucking cheaper than a cold air, and the stock intake's already cold air, so makes 215. But
crazy, man.
torque's 255. Torque's 255 on paper, and I've gapped an STI in it.
Very nice.
Oh, look at the turbo.
Dope. Yo, this color is crazy. Just look at it. That shit is crazy, bro. What do you think, bro? You gonna cop it or what?
It's automatic.
It's automatic.
No, it's a deal breaker.
That's a deal breaker, huh? You wanna LS swap it?
Oh, let's swap it.
Yo, look, we found Paul Walker's car.
You have the S3?
Interesting. No, I don't. The guy with the...
Is that your S3?
Yeah.
Is it a 17? 18. It's an 18 just in case. Are these things too? Is it single or twin? Single. Single? What the fuck, dude? I swear I thought it was a twin turbo. Single. How much are you pushing? I should be around 500 wheel. I've never done it yet.
We gonna head out right now. We got a match locked in. Not with me, but S3 versus M2 over there. Who you got? Place the bets right now. Put in the comments. S3 hybrid turbo or modded M2. Let me know. S3 for the win, guys. Here's a quick little GTI update for you. Car is doing well. By the time you watch this video, this car will already be on 85. As of now, car pulls pretty good. I will do a few pulls for you, just light moderate pulls, nothing too crazy, but I'll do a little bit for you just to kind of show you what it sounds like under acceleration. Now this turbo, it does sound a little bit different compared to like the OEM IS38 that I had. With this turbo, at certain RPMs, it has this whistling sound, and it sounds really damn cool. So let me give you a few sound clips here so you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, I like the sound. I'm digging it a lot. As you can see, we put on back the MST intake lid there. I kind of fucked up because I lost a screw. And it's not too bad. It's still holding it. It's fine. Trying to keep like the air temperatures a lot cooler. But with that thing off, it does sound a lot better, a lot cooler at least, with the swishy sound. But yeah, by the time you are watching this video, this car will already be on 85, and we will have a lot of fun with it. Shit, guys, there was this Mustang passing by. I think it was like a GT 350. It was kind of rolling by over here. Trust me, guys, I'm just as excited as you are to get some rolls in this thing, but man, it's just a little bit more time. Give me a little bit more time. We'll get to that, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with just working out a few things, making a couple little tweaks, and we should be good to go. And then I'll give you guys a pretty crazy update that only some of you already know, most of you don't, so definitely stay tuned for that. Now, normally, guys, I'm not a really big fan of stickers and stuff like that. With the setup being just a little bit different now, we've kind of changed it. I kind of also feel like changing the sticker, as you know, as silly as it seems, but one, it's also faded. It's scratched up from all the times I've washed the car. It's sprayed it down super strong and stuff, so I think it's time for the Goku to change. We're gonna add a different sticker now. This is an FRS I just passed by. Gonna add something a little bit different now. All right, nice, clean, smooth surface here. There it is. A little freezer action going on there. So yeah, we took off the Goku, now we got the golden freezer. We got a new turbo, we got a new sticker to match with it, right? All right, well, that's pretty much the end of this video, guys. Again, stay tuned for the next one. The next one will definitely 100% be some rolls. The next one will definitely be on 85. Should be lots of fun there.